Are you a local business owner looking to grow your customer base? Internet Biz Leads can help. We specialize in generating high-quality leads for businesses, locally, statewide, nationwide, and globally. By leveraging Google Maps and other online marketing strategies, we connect you with potential customers who are actively searching for your services. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, real estate agent, or any other local business owner, we can help you in one way, or a variety of ways, such as create and optimize your Google business profile. This will help your business appear in local search results, including voice search. Our expertise will boost your bottom line, attract more customers, and adapting your business to AI innovation. Let's work together and take your business to the next level. We have an elite private social media group with valuable insights on GMB, Google My Business Maps listings. My team specialize in capturing high-quality leads, local, state, and nationwide, through advanced innovation from Google, and mastered by many qualified staff members, stationed remotely, and working as a collective. Our strategic social media campaigns, private forums, private groups, and targeted online traffic can capture leads in its earliest of stages and guide them to potential businesses who can provide that service. Let's work together and take your business to the next level.